Good morning, afternoon, evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to be doing another POV drive with my 650-ish horsepower 5th generation Camaro ZL1. And today we are taking it out on Memorial Day, the day to remember all of the men and women who have dedicated their lives to our country. So yes, the country is not perfect. You know, there's a lot of things that we as a nation and as a society need to work on, but we do have a lot of liberties and opportunities that are afforded to us because of those people that gave their lives. What is perfect, right? This car is pretty perfect. Yeah. So right now I'm on my way to my folks' house to pick up a cooler for some of the meats that we're going to be cooking today. So now that we're also doing like a drive/yap session, I want to ask you guys enjoy a full first-person POV, like immersive experience, or do you prefer the combination of a first and third-person immersive POV experience like I've been doing over the last, I would say, 6 months or so? Please let me know in the comment section below, and also let me know if you guys want to see more yap session POVs. But first, had to give you guys a little downshift under the underpass. Come on. GT350, very nice. Ooh. And here we have the cooler. Is it going to fit in the Camaro? Let's see. And we have all my camera gear, this nice chest from Custom Interior that I have all my cleaning supplies in. Oh, I don't think this is gonna work. Nope. We can thank the General Motor engineers. And the 6th gen isn't any better, guys, by the way. The opening is actually a lot worse. All right, so it looks like you're gonna be riding shotgun with me. Look at this, the Camaro doors are so long, dude. All right, so here is the practicality and durability test of a 5th generation Camaro ZL1. The thing that sucks about having the ZL1 is that you have the prestige nice seats here, but they're not mechanical. So you have to actually press this button, wait and wait and wait. Oh my god. Okay, thank you guys, thank you. Wait and wait and wait. Thumbnail picture? No. I've said it before, the Camaro looks so damn good in this color, and with the bronze wheels from MRR, the FS01s, I mean, Jesus, man. My parents are now bakers. Good to know that if this YouTube stuff doesn't work out, I have an occupation to keep me busy. Every time I do a pull, this thing like flies back. You know, I just make so much power that the chassis just freaking like twists. Look at this person. Hello. All right, now the car is starting to get a little bit hot. I mean, I get it, girl, I get it. By the way, I got a comment recently that this guy was kind of like roasting my shifting, which, by the way, my shifting is not great. I completely get it. Guys, I'm not racing anybody, all right? I'm literally just chilling here. This guy. Come on, baby, come on. Oh, fuck. Parked up to the man himself, Calvo.
Yeah, but
there we go. That?
these wings are looking good.
Where does it go?
right on the tip. Come in.
How are you, sir? Guys, look at the form, dude.
My eyebrows, bro.
We're gonna lower that a little.
They're gonna, however many people do it, they're gonna
Chicken wings, sausages, the good stuff. This is the actual quality stuff from Graciano's. Very high quality. Thank you, sir, as always.
Almost 180.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's a big one, dude.
Holy shit. All right, guys, check it out. The steaks are cooking. What cuts are these?
Churrasco.
These wangs, though.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's for you. For you and
Sir, what are we doing here? Cutting up?
Yeah, we're making sure everyone's, you know, ready to enjoy the
Yeah,
meal,
we can
bro.
actually eat it, you know? Like, now with our hands, I have to cut it.
Yeah, and
like
literally,
Neanderthals.
It just spawned here, bro. Guys, the final product.
That's a brown sugar.
For who?
Oh my god.
No, it's sushi great. Tasted like
The star of the show today was the chicken, undoubtedly. All right, so we just finished eating. We indulge in the pool now. Not the pool getting packed when there's no more sun anymore. So I didn't do much of a vlog update while we were inside of the pool. Was the pool fantastic?
Let's give it a 9 out of 10, yeah, for sure.
Would you come back to this pool again?
Yeah.
Part 2 of Memorial Day craziness. God, bro, we're so stupid, bro.
I'm on E85, I'm fucked, man. I gotta go to Sunoco.
And then a C5 Corvette and an 1100 horsepower Mark IV Supra. This is the one that everybody wants to import. First of all, this thing is in an immaculate condition. Word on the street is that it's not 1,000 horsepower. Is that true? I love how like the Supra has like the driver centric like console here, you know, everything is aiming towards the driver. Oof. Nice to meet you. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful car.
We're in sport mode, it's like,
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Bryce.
Tiger Woods.
Tiger Woods.
Happy nation, living in a, oh. All right, guys, so now this took an entirely different turn. You can't let anybody know your next move. And I'm gonna take my 5th Gen ZL1 and run it against this Audi RS6 Avant. He's got some work done to it. Run him, bro. Guys, listen to that cruising. The two M3 generations side by side. Dude, that is so cool. freaking bing tune que me diste. Top end, bro. This is crazy. That was really good run. No, perfect.
No, it was great also because you know you're manual, he's not. You know the comparisons are pretty awesome. You know?
Yeah,
Still,
this car's 5,000 pounds.
40,
No.
49.
It's 800 pounds. How much are you, like, what do you have done? I know you have a downpipe tune.
Just bolt-ons.
E85, 93, no.
93, 700. It's decent power.
And look what just showed up, a twin turbo R8. Jesus Christ, man. ¿Cómo estás? A real dap, a real dap. Oh, bro's leaving and I'm officially the slowest person.
Oh my god!
Oh, bro, you have carbon ceramics?
No, wrapped as fuck.
Oh, warped, yeah. Oh my god, yeah. Maybe we should throw some water in it to cool it down. Your 10 speed? Those LT1s are pretty quick already, especially with the modifications that he has. But a 10 speed? Nah, that's devious work. Oh my god, bro. Nah, bro, you got work done or something, bro. No way. That shit was fucking flying. All right, guys, so there you have it. That is the full Memorial Day POV experience with myself, my friends, and of course, the 5th generation ZL1. We're gonna wrap up things for tonight. I think there's still a lot of things that need to be done to the ZL1 because today's performance, it was fun, it was exciting, it held on pretty decently, but it did not win, and that is what I care about. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.